Hello there. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to activate Turnitin Quick Submit. All right. So this is my account, as you can see. I assume that also you have access to Turnitin through your university, for example, or your organizations, as you know, because Turnitin as organization does not accept individual subscription as so far as I know today. Okay, so but this is how might change in the future. Well, so I have here all the classes and join account, and next to the join account there should be a quick submit if it is activated. But since it's not activated yet, so that's why it's not appearing here in this location. Now to activate, I simply need to click on user information, or my name is the same. You know, whether you click on your name or the user information will give you the same things. All right. So I will click here, and here, as you can see, activate quick submit. So I simply need to change no to yes. Change no to yes. So yes means yes, activate quick submit. Then I will have to submit this request, and here now you can see quick submit has been activated. All right, so it will appear whenever from now you log in into your account. Of course, you must be an instructor, as you can see, in order to have access to quick submit. So quick submit is not available for the administrator, is not available for the students. It is only available for the instructor's account from Turnitin. All right. So Quick Submit is activated and is ready now to help you to upload the documents in a very fast way. Faster because simply here with the Quick Submit, you don't need to create a classroom, you don't need to create an assignment, and you don't need to have pre-existing students as well. All right. So let us click on it, and here when I click on it, then I will have again to click on the submit. All right, in order to submit a document, I have these options. I will go through quickly. So I will check all of them. Yes, internet resources, students papers, and as well periodicals, journals, and e-publications. So the document I will upload will be evaluated against all the documents available on the internet, students' papers available also in the Turnitin databases, and e-publications, you know, like e-books, e-journal, e-magazines, so newspapers, whatever available on the internet as the publications. All right. I check those things. These are optional. It's up to you. You can check all of them or you can exclude all of them. Here also is a area where we have to decide whether the document I want to submit, I will submit it through, to the, I will submit it to the standard paper repository or no repository at all. Okay. So the difference is what? The difference, if you select the standard paper repository, mean this paper will be kept in the Turnitin databases. No repository, meaning the document will not be kept in the Turnitin repositories, and anytime you are, allowed to remove this document or remove it from the Turnitin, and it will be removed permanently. All right. So now I'm done with that. Submit. And here I have to enter the first name, the last name, and the submission title. Okay. So these are my first name, last name, and can be any name. It doesn't mean necessary has to be my name. Okay. I can put any name and the system will accept. Submission title also can be in terms of alphabetical or can be numerical, doesn't matter. Okay, so if I put 1 2 3 4, For example, Turnitin will accept. Then I have to find out the location of my document. Where is my document is located in this computer? Yes. So I will select the document. This is the document I want to evaluate. Yes, and everything is fine, right? Ready. Okay, so upload the documents to Turnitin now. Yes. So I just need to double check here. Turnitin is saying, please confirm that this is the file you would like to submit. Okay. So yes, I believe this is the real document I want to submit. So here I confirm, given Turnitin the confirmation. Now I can see the paper ID. This is the unique paper ID, which is very useful for us to identify these papers and to issue, to solve any issue related to this paper. Then I will go to inbox, and inbox here I will see the result. 99%. Wow, is a terrible result. You know, this is a disaster. If this is a real paper, I'm working on it and I want to publish, or I want to do, this is disaster, right? But only, I know I'm not surprised with this result, because this paper is already published in many newspapers on the internet everywhere. So the result is not surprising. All right. So this is how you can use the Quick Submit. Okay. As I said, why Quick Submit? Quick Submit because simply make your life simple, much faster than the normal submission. Here with the Quick Submit, you don't need to create a classroom, you don't need to create assignment, and you don't need to have pre-existing students as well. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you.